Okay. I was gonna try this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation, but I don't even know if this will match me, and I don't know if I want to risk it. So I'm just gonna start off with priming my face with this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte or Matte Lock primer. Yeah, I haven't done my makeup in I don't know how long, so this is like to see if I even still know how to do my makeup, because quarantine like took a turn, and then yeah, it's just everything got a little crazy, and so makeup has been the last thing on my mind. For some reason I feel like this is not gonna match me, but I'm gonna try. This is in the shade 525. So I'll pump it on the back of my hand. It's a little watery, I don't like that. And I'm just gonna use my e.l.f. buffing brush, tap that onto the product. Already looking at it, don't look like it's matching me at all. I don't know, it don't look that bad. Let me just finish putting it on first. It has like a smell, like a fragrance. Well, I guess it don't look too bad. Y'all let me know in the comments if I'm lying to myself. It's really watery, so it's kind of hard to not use a lot of product because it's so watery. I don't think this is my color though, or my shade, but this typically happens to me often when trying foundations. This is the foundation on. I mean, I can clearly tell that it's not my perfect match, but it's definitely not, you know, horrible. I don't like that it looks dewy, because I love matte foundation, matte products, because of my oily skin. Let's add some concealer. Do I want to use this? Yeah, I'm gonna just use the L'Oreal concealer too. And it's in the shade 415 Honey. I'm gonna highlight. And also cover up these dark spots right here, because like I said, the foundation is not super full coverage. It's definitely living up to the Fresh Wear name, because it's not really giving that much coverage, which isn't a problem unless you really like full coverage, guys. Okay, I'm going to let that dry down a little bit before I blend it out. And I'm gonna be blending that out with my buffing blender brush from Sonia Kashuk. Just trying to get a closer look at the foundation. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but it's kind of orange looking. And it's just, yeah. It's the orange that's throwing me off. It's looking, you know, a little orange. But we can make it work. That's the beauty of makeup. You can add things to your face to make things look, you know, better. Now I'm gonna blend out that concealer. And then I'm gonna switch back to my foundation brush and go around the edges of that concealer. I'm gonna set with the Maybelline Fit Me press powder. Yeah, matte and poreless press powder in Golden Caramel 332. And I'm just gonna go into it like this. And I'm using this Real Techniques setting brush. And I'm just gonna press right over that concealer. And I'm gonna go on my eyelid because I did bring the concealer up to my eyelid. So I'm gonna also use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Press Powder in the shade 355 Coconut and set my entire face because I'm not cream contouring today. I'm just gonna bronze up my face a little later on. And I'm doing this like using all these other matte products over because like I said, I really have oily skin. It's bad, and this foundation is not matte at all. I'm gonna take my Morphe bronzer in the shade Showmance as usual, but don't worry, I have bought some new bronzers and I'm gonna show you guys those in another video. And I'm using the Morphe M530 brush to bronze up my face. This is actually a really good bronzer, but I bought other ones because I literally use this in every single video. And I'm getting tired of it, so I know y'all getting tired of it. I'm gonna use this Ruby Kisses large eyeshadow brush and bronze up my nose. And then I'm gonna go over that nose contour bronzer, whatever, with my foundation brush because I don't want it to be harsh. Back in with the powder brush and set my entire face one more time, but I really didn't pick up any more powder. I'm just using any excess. I'm gonna use this Rimmel London Maxi Blush in the shade Rendezvous, which I also bought another blush because like I said, I keep using the same stuff in every video. And it's time for me to get, you know, new products. Okay, so I'm gonna use the matte book, just the bottom row, so the brown. I'm gonna go into this brown first and then this brown, and that's just to add a little bit of color to my lid, but you know, not too much because we want it to look natural. And this is a shiny F21 blending brush. Okay, so now going into that second brown shade, and I'm gonna focus that on my lid. I'm gonna line my lid with this e.l.f. liner. Okay, so I went ahead and lined my eyes, and I'm gonna use these lashes from Retro Tress, and they're in the style S304. I'm gonna try them out. This is what they look like out of the package. They're pretty nice. They look fluffy. I like them. So hopefully they look right with this like minimalistic makeup that I just did. But I'm gonna apply these off camera because it's hard. I literally have to be like that in the mirror to get them on right. So I'll be back, okay? So the lashes are on, and I used this L'Oreal telescopic mascara in Black is Black. Yeah, in Black is Black. Now I'm going to set my face with this Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. Okay, so I'm gonna line my lips now, and I'm gonna use this little NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. So for lipstick, I'm gonna use Ruby Kiss's matte lipstick in the shade Dulce. I'm gonna add a clear gloss, and it's just this beauty supply store. I don't even know if you can see, but it's just a beauty supply store lip gloss. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's a simple, quick and easy. I just want to be cute don't want to look basic look, but I also don't want to do too much. So this was a quick, easy makeup routine for that. And my thoughts on this foundation. So I don't know how it's gonna wear, you know, throughout the day. So I will have to tell you guys in another video what I thought about how it, you know, lasted, or you know, whether I got super oily throughout the day, which I probably will, because I mean, I'm oily anyway, and that just happens. Unless I have really, really matte products, which I need to find a really, really good matte foundation that really minimizes my oil, because girl, it just turns into a mess quickly. I will say that I like that this is not like super full coverage, because I can still see my like freckles through my makeup, which is good. The shade isn't terrible. It matches me pretty well, I think. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments what you think. If you can, you know, if you think that this matches me well, or if you think I should try another shade. But yeah, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see any other videos from me, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And don't forget to tell me if you think I need to try another shade of this foundation, even though we can't take this stuff back to Walmart because COVID. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I have lots of other videos that might interest you as well. And if you have any videos that you want to see from me, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.